Hi mga ka-J1 teachers, this is Isa again, and this would be our part 3 of the saving tips as a J1 teacher. So, paano ba makasave ng malaki dito sa US when we are participating in the program? So, yung unang character na i-build is discipline. Discipline, and then research and a lot of taking notes. So para ma-regulate natin yung mga spendings natin, we have to take note how much money we receive every paycheck. That means every salary, and then i-deduct na yung savings na ilalaan natin na ipapadala doon sa MP2 or mga digital bank or our own banks. So, yun, i-deduct mo na lahat agad-agad before mo magamit yung pera. Ipadala mo na doon sa mga intended na savings mo or yung mga liabilities na babayaran mo. And then, ang ititira mo is yung panggastos mo rito, and then pangbayad ng bahay, at saka konting sobra para kung may gusto kang bilhin, or gusto mo ba ng Starbucks or anything na gusto mong bilhin, at least makakabili ka pa rin here. So, another thing about discipline is, gusto mo bang isulat sa papel, sa notebook, or gumawa ka ng Excel monthly, like so monthly from January to December yung expense mo, and minus yung mga savings mo. So makikita mo doon yung expected na masisave mo for the month or every paycheck. At saka magaganahan ka kung makikita mo, oh, ito pala yung masisave ko for this month. And then, yun, meron ka ng goal. That is your goal na i-meet mo for the whole year or the following year. Kasi makikita mo yung amount of money na gusto mong makamit. At the same time, may savings ka for your leisure, may savings ka for your, pangbayad ng bahay, or another expenses dito sa US. So that's all, and good luck for your savings, and bye.